In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy an SMS bundle on MTN. Yeah, simple and easy. So we just use this USD code, which is 138, and we do that. Good. So on here, we just tap on this here, 1, and we tap on 99 for more. Here, we tap on the 7 for more as well. And then we select option 1 here, which is a combo bundle. And for self, if you're buying it for yourself or for somebody, so for self is 1. Good. And now you see the SMS bundles. We select 1 here. Good. And you select the price in which you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy the 2, 1 CD, 20 pesos. And you see you are going to get 50 SMS for that. You tap on 1 to buy. You select whether you're paying with airtime or mobile money. Yeah, and they're saying my balance is insufficient. So that's it on how you buy MTN SMS bundles.